Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. This ice maker assembly is located in the fresh food compartment on the top left. The ice maker produces ice cubes and drops them into the ice tray. If you don't see any ice cubes in the ice tray, check the ice maker assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. Next, we're going to pull the lever and I'm going to slide out this ice bin and dispenser. Now I'm going to remove this single Phillips screw here using a Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm going to grab this panel and slide it forward. We can see all kind of harnesses there behind. So we need to disconnect the ice maker. That would be this one. So push on the locking tab, pull it down. Next, I'm going to press in this locking tab and slide the ice maker forward. So now it's free and freed from the back. There's a harness that needs to be freed. Right there. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, you eager people over there. We have these two locking pins here on the top. And we have these two cutouts here. We have to interlock them. So we're gonna put down the harness and slide the ice maker, push it up and back. As you can see, it's locked. Now I'm gonna place the harness into the cutout. I'm gonna push it in, and I'm gonna route the harness at the bottom, and now I'm going to plug this in. Make sure it's locked. I'm now going to install the cover. So we got these two hooks here on the cover. They're going to interlock on the two tabs on the side. I'm going to align it and slide it. And now we can secure the panel with this screw. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm going to slide in that ice bin and the dispenser and auger assembly. Pull the lever, push it back in, make sure it's locked. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.